Going the same way? Bar fade?
Hell yeah.
Yes. Today, guys, we're doing a bald fade with the biggest beard.
What?
Yeah, cutting up, gang. Bald fade with the biggest beard. We're gonna pick his beard out, clean up around his neck, make his beard as wide as we can. We're gonna cut down the mustache so it could be sharp. Bald the sides out, not too high, but for it to fit his head shape. And it's on. We cutting up, gang. When doing the bald fade, guys, I start with my hard line, creating a guideline for the bald fade where I won't bald it out too high. I'm balding out the area of the head shape that needs to be bald out. That way the bald fade could really pop out once I'm finished. Getting all the hairs off the nape. I'm using my Gold Fade Masters by Andy. Cleaning up the sides, all of the excess hair. Trying to get it as bald as I can get it with these clippers, guys. But I know I'm gonna have to use my liners to get it even balder. That way the whole haircut could really pop. I'm using my Andy's T outliners, cordless. Getting all the stubbles that I can, that the clippers miss. You want the sides as bald as they can be with the clippers and liners, guys. Right now I'm using my guard on my Babylist Pros clippers. It's a 3/4 guard. Just creating a new guideline for this bald fade. Yeah. That way everything could come together, guys. Just creating a new guideline for this bald fade. Yeah. Cutting with the grain, just creating a new guideline above the guideline I just created, but not too high into the cut because I want to make sure everything is dark. So I'm just cutting with the grain right now, guys. Going against the grain with my Gold Fade Masters with their number 1 guard, guys. Yeah. Creating depth guidelines, fading. We getting it in, cutting up, gang. Yeah. I just brought out my Babyless Pros with a half guard. Open and closing, guys. With a half guard. Open and closing. Now I'm cutting with the grain, just smoothing everything out that I can, and also against the grain. Just getting off dead weight, guys. Guard on the fade masters, guys. I gotta erase this line. So that's what we doing now, guys. We're gonna erase this bottom line that we created early. That way everything can flow. You're gonna see me play with the lever up and down throughout this part, because my goal here is to erase that bottom line, guys. That's why I have no guard. Now everything we did on the left side, we're gonna do on the right side. Got the lever wide open, creating a new guideline, and erase the bottom hard line that we created earlier in this haircut, as if we did on the left side. Cutting up, gang, yeah, we getting them together. Now using my Andy ZRs with a 1.5 blade, guys. Pulling out the fast speed to get the heavy bulk off the top that I want to keep dark, but keep cut, laid down. But I want it as dark as it could be, guys. I want it as dark as it can be, laid down, cutting with the grain. I have a number 2 with the blade wide open on my Babyless Pros, guys. Getting the bulk off around the crown, so everything can be smooth. 360 can be spinning. Haircut can be blending. Yeah. Now, guys, I'm not finished with the haircut just yet. I'm putting this mousse in his hair, and I'm gonna put him under the dryer to make his waves come out. Waves are curls laid down, guys.
Yeah.
After he's out of the dryer, I'm gonna proceed finishing the haircut. But I just want his waves to really pop out, so I'm gonna put him under the dryer, guys.
Okay.
Cutting up, gang. Yeah. When you guys putting on your durags, don't put them on too tight. Make sure you don't put them on too tight, guys. Wear your durags, but just make sure you do not put them on too tight. Using my anti-coreless T outliners to clean up the neck. Getting all the hairs and all the hairs that I can't get with the liners, I will get with my electric shavers, my Babyless Pro electric shavers. Lining his mustache up, starting at the bottom first. After I just cut down his mustache with my anti-fade masters wide open, then I proceed to line the top. After I make sure the line of the bottom of the mustache is clear. I line the top to make sure I can see where I'm starting at with the beard, so I can line it up as wide as I can, guys. We want the biggest beard that's not pushed in. Yeah. Using the razor to get the stubbles. It's gonna bring everything out once you hit it with that razor after you use the liners, guys. Cutting up, gang. Cleaning up, small touch-ups, getting everything together, guys. Picking out the beard before I cut the excess hair off the beard. Trimming all the excess hair off the beard, shaping it. Cutting all loose ends, split ends, making sure the beard is wide, big, and even, guys. The biggest beard. Cutting up, gang, yeah.
Ten minutes later.
touching up the sides. Doing light touch-ups, getting heavy bulk out, making sure everything is perfect, guys. Cutting up, gang. Yep. About to do this lineup. Got the hair laid down. Starting on the left side, cutting up, gang. And then I will work my way to the right side, cutting up, gang. Yeah. Dusting his face off from the lineup that we just. Yes, sir. Yeah, we getting everything together, cutting up, gang. Yeah. It's touching up, doing all the heavy bulk. Using the razor for that lineup so that lineup could be extra sharp.